Hi, speech friends. Let's practice our S sound or our S sound in phrases. Are you ready? Repeat these phrases after me. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, a soapy seal. Your turn. 2, tall cedar tree. 3, paint the ceiling. 4, that cement block. 5, 5 cents. 6, center of gravity. 7, apple cider. 8, in the city. 9, this heavy sack. 10, feeling sad. 11, safe and sound. 12, run to safety. 13, sail away. 14, salad dressing. 15, garage sale. 16, salt and pepper. 17, Sam's sandal. 18, eat your sandwich. 19, a sandy beach. 20, sang a song. Good job, guys. Keep practicing.